The LG G Pad 8.3 is the latest mid-size tablet offering from LG, and it's their first tablet in just about a year since the LG Optimus Pad LTE. The G Pad 8.3 runs on a Snapdragon 600 processor of the quad-core 1.7 GHz flavor. It has a 8.3-inch screen diagonal of 1920 by 1200 pixels resolution, which equals a 16 by 10 aspect ratio, which is most frequently occupied by the 3 capacitive keys at the bottom of the screen. As far as the software version goes, it is Android 4.22 Jelly Bean and features many of the recent UI improvements brought by LG in their G2 flagship. This includes numerous shortcut toggles along the top of the screen, which can also be customized. There's also the Q-Slide integration, which pops up floating apps, which lets you work on multiple things while you have different full screen applications open. All floating apps can be resized, as well as having their transparency toggled. While the G Pad 8.3 does not feature data network connectivity, it does come with the QPair app, which allows you to pair the G Pad 8.3 with another Android device of version 4.1 and later. In this situation, we're using the LG G2, but this can work with any Android smartphone version 4.1 or later. And this allows you to use the smartphone's connection to receive call notifications, messages, as well as pop up recent apps which you have opened on the smartphone. While unfortunately the G Pad 8.3 does not come with LG's dual screen dual play feature, which allows you to cast a video onto another device while simultaneously doing something completely different on the tab. You can connect to another TV or tablet using Wi-Fi Direct, or to any other device connected on a Wi-Fi network. LG allows you to customize multiple different aspects of their interface, which not only allows you to add different wallpapers, apps, and widgets to your various home screens, but allows you to customize your icons as well. So you can, for instance, change the Google Play icon to something else entirely, and even adjust the size of it to take up a 2x2 grid. The G Pad also features an infrared port on the top, which means that you can use the preloaded Q Remote app to control various TVs or set-top boxes. You can designate different devices for different rooms, as well as use Magic Remote with the integrated touchpad option for various LG Smart TVs. Unfortunately, the version that's found on the G Pad 8.3 does not support anything beyond TVs or set-top boxes like air conditioners, which is kind of a disappointment. Finally, when it comes to internet browsing, the G Pad features both the Google Chrome and its own Android-based browser. For its own browser, it has taken a lot of cues from Google Chrome, featuring almost an identical interface with most of your navigation controls along the top and only the capacitive keys along the bottom. The browser is fast and responsive and is able to show up most Flash-based ads as well as play YouTube videos in browser. If, however, you do want desktop sync, like on Google Chrome, you will have to resort to using the Chrome browser instead.